Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Haley.
And today we got a package from trytreats.com. Enjoy your treats.
So my sister kind of ripped it, but
I already showed it.
that's what there is. But right now we're gonna try them. But I'm gonna get ready.
We're gonna try this in a little bit. I just wanted to show you what the package looks like. And we'll show you guys later what we got and we'll show you guys what we think of the treats. Okay, so the first one is the potato cracker by Cha-Cha.
Real smooth.
It's this one's right here. Oh, backwards. It's this one's right here. I think these are gonna be like regular crackers. Read what it says.
Okay, potato crackers by Cha-Cha are deliciously oven. Damn, it's too loud. Oven baked potato crackers. These crackers are crunchy, savory, perfectionately seasoned, and also 100% gluten free.
Okay. I wasn't the audio listening, but these are gonna be. Oh, no, I did not expect this.
I think I've tried these before in low-key.
They're like skinny.
But look how they look. They have like these little green cacas on it. No, I'm just kidding.
Cheers.
I'm just playing around. Cheers. Bon appetit. I love it. I'll see.
I like these. Wait.
1 out of 10.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
Oh my god, bro.
I give it a 10. A 10.
I mean, they already taste like nothing, honestly.
I'd buy these. Like, if I saw these in the store,
I would get
but
them.
like, oh my god, I want them.
You know, if I saw them in the store, I'd be like, oh yeah, I already tried those. I think you're 8.
I'd bite them. I'd bite them.
Okay, what's the next
I'd
one?
buy them.
The volcano popping candy by Family. I want to try this one, right?
Yeah. So it's these ones, the volcano. It's like Pop Rocks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You are so dumb. You are so dumb.
Green
Damn.
Oh, yeah.
Dude. I want to do, what's it called?
Wait, I can't even open it.
ASMR.
Oh, I can already smell it. Right when I opened it, you can smell it.
Ooh.
Right at the same time, hold up, hold up. I want
They're
them
like-
to hear it.
they're like green.
This shit's so satisfying.
Okay.
Ready?
2, 3.
They barely even do that.
I know, they barely even popple.
Popple? Chopple?
El Chavo Jr.
These are good though.
Can you guys hear that? Dumb. They're not bad.
I like this. This is like,
It just tastes like, obviously,
I think I'm gonna give
candy.
these all a 10. This is a 10. This is bomb.
This is a... an 8 also.
This is a,
Really, nigga?
this is a 10.
I'll do that to you when you rate it.
I'm not done with this, but we'll go to the next one.
Bro.
So you read the next ones.
Oh, these are the ones that I've been wanting to taste.
Gay!
I thought your teeth were green. Seaweed potato twist by Lonely God. That's how they look. There's seaweed potato twists by Lonely.
Bruh.
There are seaweed flavored chips. These finger licking snacks.
It's finger licking good.
Savory, and they come in spiral shapes that are so crunchy you can't resist crunching on them. All close and personal. Damn. Wait,
Bruh.
that's how they look like twists.
Let me find out they're nasty. They look like turbos.
They're gonna be like turbos. I thought there were actual seaweed in there.
Idiot.
Can I just poke it?
Ooh. Well, do you like seaweed? I like seaweed.
Can't really look though. Oh no. Get one.
Nigga, sure.
Nigga!
7. I give it a 7.
They're good, but they're not. They're not good, but they're not nasty. I give it like a 6. Like a 6. But I'll still eat them.
Okay. No, a 7. Like, if you guys don't like seaweed, don't get them.
I'll
Because
give
they
it a
actually
6.
taste like seaweed.
Yeah, they taste like seaweed, but not too strong. So the next one is the coconut candy by Family. It says they're coconut candy comes individually sealed, making them a great treat to pack in lunches or snack on the go.
There you go.
My mom already tried these and she said they're bomb.
They're bomb.
Dude, I like the
They look like coffee though. They look like coffee.
Oh shit, they look like the caramel ones though.
Yeah. Like the ones that started like nice and strong.
I feel like I have the taste from the other one.
This tastes like a cookie, like the cookie that we had. This is bomb.
This doesn't even taste like anything.
Bruh. Maybe because you have that shitty ass. No, I was kidding. Maybe because you have that taste in your mouth still.
A 5. I like it, but I'm gonna eat this after the other ones. So the last and final treat is the oh my god.
Oh my god!
Tenkaichi Ban Rice Crackers. Tenkaichi.
Oi, 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 oi.
It says that they're light,
Nah, it's not funny,
crispy
it's
rice
just not funny.
crackers made from rice, soy flour, cornmeal,
I think
and
I tried
rice
these
flour.
before.
They're the most popular treats in Asia. Wait, why is it?
I've tried these before. I know I
Asia
have.
if it's Taiwan.
Oh no.
I know the way. Do you know the way? I know the way. Yes, I am a boss.
For real.
So they look like this.
I've tried these before. I know I
I
have.
can't believe I'm trying all these
No, I
new
haven't.
things because I am picky. Ew, I hear it correctly. No, I licked it.
No, try it. You gotta try it. Really compared to my bite. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like something that I've tried already though.
It's just like the rice rolls, right?
Yeah, the rice rolls, but with a little bit like a sauce.
What do you give it? I give it 5.
I give it a 6. I think my favorite has to be these.
My favorite has to be the popping candy. First those, and then these ones, and then the chips. No, actually, like these are like in the middle. I don't know. I like
Okay,
them.
my little roll is these first,
Let me have one of these.
and these second, this third, and then this fourth, and obviously the seaweeds are like the last. Cause I don't know. I mean, they weren't nasty,
We
but
do like all this.
we should do it next time.
Everyone in our family will like all this.
Hi, family.
Like that. Nah.
These are bomb. If you guys ever decide to do it, you can use our coupon code. It will be down in the description box.
Down
And
below.
yeah.
Get low when the whistle goes.
So guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope you guys try it out, because honestly,
This is a good
these could be your favorite
thing to
snacks.
order, yeah.
Yeah. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you guys next time. Give it a like.
Bye.
Bye.